May I request everyone to please stand? And we are going to have our figure to be played by multimedia.
Manalangin tayo. Panginoong Diyos.
Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We're fine.
Okay. Miss Kaintoy, do we have any absentees in this day?
None, sir.
Okay, since none, then I will give all of you 5 points. Give yourself a round of applause. And class, do we have the assignment in our previous lesson?
None, sir.
Okay, since none, then let's proceed to our lesson this morning. All of you are ready?
Yes, sir.
But before that, let me remind you in our classroom rules to be guided in this afternoon. And please, Miss Ipong, kindly read this one. Okay, thank you, Miss Ipong. Do you have any question regarding our classroom rules?
None, sir.
Okay, thank you. What was our previous lesson?
Our previous lesson is all about a selection may be influenced by culture, history, environment, or other factors, sir.
Okay, thank you. I can tell that you learned in our topic. And now, in order to energize our mind, let us have an engaging activity that will serve as our motivation. This activity is called by Story Snapshot. I will show you a picture and answer it through PowerPoint presentation. Kindly, what do you think our lesson today?
I guess it's analyzing selection, sir.
You're right. Our topic in this day is all about the analyzing the theme of appearance versus reality in the place. But before we proceed to our discussion, here are the objectives that we need to obtain this day. Miss Rio, kindly read this one.
At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to analyze and distinguish the use of parallel structure, value the importance of collaboration.
I have here a PowerPoint presentation, and all you need to do is listen, and afterwards I will be going to ask you about our last discussion.
In this video, we'll go on a noun scavenger hunt, and in the process, we'll learn what a noun is. Everything around us has a name, doesn't it? These names, or naming words.
Okay, class, what was the presentation all about?
It's all about analyzing the themes of appearance and reality of the necklace.
Indeed, thank you, Miss Origin. Okay, this time, let's have an activity. I've already sent the link in our GC, and all you need to do is answer the following question and screenshot your answer. All of you class are done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now, based on our lesson, what is the importance of the themes of the man versus nature? Okay, we'll say that is we need to understand what is our need to know on man versus nature. And now class, I will be going to group you in the 2 big groups. This side of the group 1 and this side of the group 2. Okay everyone, go to the GC, and I've already sent a link that was titled by Socrates, and you need to answer the following question. Do I make myself clear, class?
Yes, sir.
Are you done, class?
Yes, sir. We're done.
And now, I will be going to give you an assignment.
No. Now, for your assignment. Wait, 1, 2, 3.
Link?
1, 2, 3.
Saan yung link?
Ha?
Link? Oh, Andre.
Oh, wala. Pandit na. Di na ipas. QR code na.
So, wala yung sumay na disposal eh.
Tumik. Picture ako niyo. Assignment.
And now, for your assignment, go to the link again and press the link, and you can see the QR code there, and you need to answer the following question and submit it. I am Jason G. Makalibay. Thank you and goodbye, class.
Goodbye,
Bye, sir.